With today's very high gusts, we have seen power outages and damage. To check in on what's actually happening across the region right now and the status on some of those power outages, we turn now to meteorologist Hannah Strong, who is outside our Wayne TV studios. Hi, Hannah.
Hi, Nicholas. Thank you. As Nicholas mentioned, we've had dozens of reports into our newsroom of damage and of power outages. Right now, Indiana-Michigan Power is reporting nearly 6,000 without power in Fort Wayne. Most of those are on the northeast side. Heartland REMC is reporting nearly 1,000 without power, and that's mostly on the south side of Allen County. Now, in addition to power outages, some traffic lights are out because obviously the power's out. Remember to treat those as a four-way stop. But it's not just that the power's out. In fact, the strong wind has blown over some of those traffic signals. We're going to show you some of that video here. The video you're seeing is from Lake and Hobson. That traffic signal was blown down. That's in Fort Wayne. We've also had reports of semis blown over, one at the 290-mile marker on I-69 southbound and another at the 19-mile marker on 469. So, of course, there are a lot of power poles and a lot of trees down. We had a report of one large tree in Whitley County that fell, knocked over a power pole, and cut power to most of Whitley County, including Columbia City. There's also video, which you can see right now on my Twitter account, of a silo that was blown over in Monroe. So obviously lots of damage, and it's scattered all across the area. We also had a report of some wind damage to a mire in Angola that we're still working to confirm. Now, all through the night tonight, we will have the latest updates for you on Wayne.com, so keep checking back. Brett and Heather, back to you.